Walker Mower 2004. They're very similar. Flat free tires. This one is flat. I keep putting air, but it's pretty much gone. So I got this tires for my Walker Mower. Pretty much you're gonna need a 14 millimeter socket and a ratchet. This one I already replaced it. The lug nut is gonna come out. You're gonna use a hammer and you're gonna hit it slowly, especially the center. There's a washer there. There. And now the center bolt is gonna come out. Let's use a screwdriver. Hard to do it with one hand, but I'll show you. Let's just hit the center. There, and it's out. The tire's gonna come right out. There it is. Clean this up because it has a lot of, might have some shims and debris, and you're gonna put new grease. So make sure you clean it up as much as possible. Doesn't need to be perfect. Put it away. The old tire, we're gonna need the center cylinder. I'll show you. There. This is the center cylinder. See? Clean it up. We're gonna put a brand new tire and again new grease. Make sure it's not perfect but clean as much as possible. See? There. We're gonna slide into the new tire. It goes in. You put the lock nut, the bolt I mean, put it together. It's gonna look like this. It doesn't matter if you well, try to put the lock nut outside and the greaser outside. How do you know that? Because if you raise this up by gravity, the tire is gonna go down. Okay, so greaser out, lock nut out. This is the bolt head. Go through, lock it up until it's tightened up because you don't want to lose this lock nut. Grease it until you see a little bit grease coming out. Usually I do 5 to 8 pumps and that should be good to go. Thank you for watching the video, and remember, get this flat free tires for your Walker Mower, otherwise it's gonna be cutting unevenly. See you next time. I'm gonna put the link where I got the tires. I paid like $54, 60 bucks. Aftermarket. Bye bye.